Unlock your confidence. Understand, be bold, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into English language learning to help you communicate more effectively and confidently. Today, we have an interesting topic to explore together: the phrase, be bold. We're going to break down what it means, how to use it, and give some examples to help you incorporate it into your everyday English. When we look at the phrase, be bold, it's made up of two words: be, which is a verb, and bold, an adjective. Be is a linking verb that connects the subject to more information about the subject. Bold, on the other hand, describes a quality of being courageous, confident, and willing to take risks. So, when put together, be bold is an encouragement or advice to adopt these qualities. It's like saying, don't be afraid. Take that step forward with confidence and courage. You might hear, be bold, in a variety of situations. It could be a friend encouraging you to speak up in a meeting, a teacher motivating a student to answer a question, or even a personal mantra to overcome challenges. Here are a few examples to illustrate. 1. Be bold and share your ideas. They're worth hearing. 2. In the face of adversity, be bold. You have the strength inside you to overcome this. 3. When networking, be bold and introduce yourself. Making connections is key. In all these cases, be bold serves as a motivator to push beyond one's comfort zone and act with conviction. Embracing a bold attitude can lead to personal and professional growth. When you're bold, you open yourself up to new opportunities, build confidence, and develop resilience. Being bold doesn't mean being reckless. It's about calculated risk-taking and not being hindered by fear of failure. It encourages a proactive approach to life, helping you to seize opportunities and make the most out of every situation. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, be bold. Remember, being bold is about stepping up, speaking out, and taking risks with confidence and courage. We hope this video has shed some light on this empowering phrase and inspired you to live boldly in your everyday life. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, be bold in your English learning journey.